Yeah, no, I was scared. I
I
almost
didn't
got.
hear it.
Yeah, no, I was close to getting hit. Like, I mean, it was almost. It was scary. I mean, it's. Yeah, no, that's all on camera, so that's good. Yeah, goodness for
Do
that.
you record every time you're in the car now?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I lost the good mount I had so I could record. And
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah, this one that. Oh yeah.
I got a good one off of
Oh.
Temu or Timu or whatever the fuck it is. I might have to order another one.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. I just. Yeah. I just have it from the windshield. Just. Yeah. It's like if it's horizontal, it records better. So, yeah.
Huh?
I mean, if it's like face like the phone like positioned like horizontal, it seems like it records more.
You mean like portrait or?
Yeah, or landscape. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
lot
landscape.
more. Yeah, a lot more
Like
view.
this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, it does say it's like, oh, you can start recording when it's plugged in, or stop recording when you turn off the car. I mean, it's got a little app in YouTube. It gets uploaded. This one lets you set the time, like 20 minutes, 25, 5 minutes, whatever amount you want for the videos to split. That way it starts uploading, because the longer it is, the more time it takes to
I have to pay the
upload.
phone bill today too.
Oh wow! Oh yeah. Eee.
Catherine hasn't paid her share.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna take her off.
Yeah, I wonder what's. Yeah, that's kind of a little odd, but. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, I think he just like stopped paying the power bill. Only it's only the laundromat. It's not power issue. I think they turned the power off, like for not paying. But all the other businesses seems to be still running. Well, I think,
I
yeah.
didn't even really pay attention. I just.
That's from the just like last couple of times I went by, but just now going behind him on Tennessee. I guess he went down Tennessee, the long way to get here with the truck. That's kind of wild.
You know what? I didn't get gas.
Oh.
I didn't need it.
Oh.
The needle hardly moved.
Oh yeah. No. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Because I know they still charge for that. I don't know. It was like 2001. Last time we remember my uncle doing all that, but that's cool. Only one trip. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I know it's always in town mileage. I do remember that from back then. Like oh yeah, the charges with that. But oh yeah, yeah, it's going to be. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. So, oh yeah. Oh, good.
Oh, look at her just going.
Oh yeah. No, I cleared out the front as they were unloading. I did all that. Oh yeah, empty box. I just have to break them down, put in that recycling. But